What is the art of serving? The art of serving means to hear of the spiritual master, Sri Guru. Hear from him, hear his words, hear his teachings, hear his instructions, and then immediately assimilate his instructions, his Vani, Guru Vani. Immediately assimilate, absorb, imbibe his instructions in your mind and senses. And then manifest that sound vibration, that Guru Vani, manifest that shiksha in service. This is hearing from the spiritual master. In other words, you can say there's the gyan and the vigyan, or the theory and the practice. There's hearing and action. Hear, then act. Hear, assimilate, absorb, and act. Not like hear and, oh, yeah, maybe I do, maybe I don't. We should hear the instruction, the order, the Guru Agya, the order, the instructions, immediately act. This is the art of service. This is the real Sad Shishya who is serving the Sad Guru.